It can be easily made. That's just brioche knitting. Hello and good evening and happy my birthday. It is October the 20th and I am 43 years old. I've been kind of busy today. We did go out Best Buy and I'll talk about that later, about my camera. If you saw yesterday's episode, I'm still pretty heartbroken about it. I got a magazine today. I'm just going to open with you all. So I got Simply Knitting. I actually got this from Publix. I wanted a cupcake and so I ran in and got me a cupcake for my birthday. That was the only dessert I wanted. We had Mexican for lunch and then we picked up a Big Sam's tray of sushi for dinner, which was delicious. I did do a little bit of knitting today. Okay, so this was the original, well, my version of the original of my Stephen West Clue 1, where I was going to do some color work. But I didn't like how it was pulling right here and I missed some increases and I needed to start over fresh. So I started that one in just the Chinese lantern, which is this colorway. And then I ripped it out yesterday because that was the opening scene of that video. So then today I started this version. Still got a lacy center and I'm doing reverse stockinette and I'm starting that pattern, that's that lace pattern that I said I'm not going to tell you about yet. So you'll have to come back again and see what it looks like. And I just really like the blue center. I don't know. It's actually, I keep calling it blue. It's a purplish dark gray. I don't know why I have blue stuck in my head. I kind of have an idea of what I want it to look like as it grows. I need to really take the time to sketch it out though, so I don't keep having to rip it out. But I'm kind of enjoying the process of just figuring out as I go anyways, so it's not that big of a deal. So I had to turn my camera some because the light is going down super fast. It is 6:14 here and I'm trying to shoot this in 4K. My camera does not like that because it's just my iPhone. But I thought we would kind of see what's in this magazine. So in this magazine, this is issue 241. Simply Knitting and Simply Crochet magazines always come with a free gift, which I think is cool. I used to actually subscribe to Simply Crochet, but getting it all the way from the UK, it was always ripped to pieces by the time I got a hold of it. So in this issue, you got these little faux leather project labels. They're very cute. Made with love, knitted with love, and made with love is what they say. There's 12 of them. And then you got this hanging that says home. I'm guessing there's a pattern in the magazine that goes with this. It's like a thin wood. Yeah, here's the pattern that you use that with. It's a little hanger where you can put your notions in, and that's really cute. So here's the yellow little thing. It looks like a little house. You see the little chimney? That is so cute. And then the windows and the door are pockets to put your accessories and your keys in. This also has pattern for the pillow, which is knitted, and that's in this little bitty piece that comes with it. It says housewares. I do like that pillow. And then there's a pattern for a blanket in this. Oh, I didn't even see that. And this cool lampshade. Look at the lampshade. Blanket that's located in this part. Has some nice cables. And that's just the little extras that you get. A little magazine, which has all these patterns in it. So here's some of the patterns. I got it because look at the cute ghost. And I love this anglerfish. I've always loved anglerfish. And there's a pillow. I really like these little wall hangings. I really want to make them. And I would love to make this to put up in my baby bin that I talk about. It's like a big bag that I'm making baby stuff to put up for my boys for when they have children. And I love fingerless mitts. And this also has some really cute sweaters. I really like that. I will link this magazine down below if I can find it online so you can see what's in here. There's a crossword puzzle in here. But I always love these magazines. Look at the cute pillow. So I saw this at Publix and it was actually the only one left and I grabbed it. There's those fingerless mitts. But that is all I have today. I actually recorded the incident about my camera prior, so I will stick that at the end of this. And I just appreciate every one of y'all for watching my videos and supporting my channel. It really, really means a lot to me. and I hope I continue to make content that you enjoy. And hopefully I have some more knitting to show you tomorrow. Doozy of a day. We got to Best Buy, and even though I was told I did not need a appointment, the guy's like, "Do you have an appointment?" And I'm like, no, your people on the text message app said I didn't need an appointment. And he was like, "We're supposed to have an appointment." I'm like, I don't have an appointment. But he was super nice. He took my camera back there. It was like, "There's no damage to your camera." And I'm like, I know. And there was nothing loose. It's just the whole LCD just went out. And it's probably coincidental, which makes me feel a little bit better, but not in the sense that now I have a camera that has no working LCD. The main panel that you see, you can only see through the itty bitty little hole, which is really hard. He tried to create a service claim so that they could send it off and fix it. And that's not even an option. That stinks. So then I came home and went back to Canon's website and messaged with them, and finally got someone to message me back to start my initial claim so I can service it through them. And they give me like a list of stuff to do, and they were like, if it's still not working, then you need to do this and this and this. And I did all that, and it said if it's still not working, then you just need to send it in for service repair. And then at the very bottom of this long email, it goes over what is required to get it serviced through Canon. $229 for them just to look at it. But that doesn't cover taxes. It doesn't cover the shipping to send it there, because I have to take that out of pocket. And it doesn't cover the insurance that's required to send it in case it gets broken. So just for them to even look at it, not even to fix it, it would be about $350, which is half the price of a new one. A slight bummer and bumper to my plans.